Hello, hello, it's me, Cordelia. So sorry we got cut off last week. It was those meddling kids playing a Halloween prank. Ooh, how they get on my nerves. Anyway, today we're going to talk about the terminal branches of the brachial plexus going to the forearm and hand. Let's start with the median nerve, which is the union of the medial and lateral cords. It supplies all muscles of the anterior forearm compartment except for flexor carpi ulnaris and the ulnar division of flexor digitorum profundus. This includes pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, and palmaris longus in the superficial compartment, flexor digitorum superficialis in the intermediate compartment, flexor pollicis longus, half of flexor digitorum profundus, and pronator quadratus in the deep compartment. In the hand, it supplies abductor pollicis brevis, the superficial head of flexor pollicis brevis, opponens pollicis, and lumbricals 1 and 2. Now we'll discuss the ulnar nerve, which is a terminal branch of the medial cord. In the forearm, it supplies flexor carpi ulnaris in the superficial compartment, as well as half of flexor digitorum profundus in the deep compartment. In the hand, it supplies abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, opponens digiti minimi, the deep head of flexor pollicis brevis, lumbricals 3 and 4, palmar interossei, and dorsal interossei. Now we'll discuss the radial nerve, which is a terminal branch of the posterior cord. It supplies all of the muscles of the posterior compartment of the forearm, including brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor digitorum, extensor digiti minimi, and extensor carpi ulnaris in the superficial compartment, and supinator, anconius, abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus, and extensor indices in the deep compartment. Here is a diagram with all of the sensory innervations of the arm, forearm, and hand. Feel free to pause the video to view at your leisure. And here's a chart with some common nerve lesions and their presentations. Feel free to pause the video once again to view at your own leisure. And that wraps up today's lesson with Cordelia. See you next time!